what we need to recognize is that this is, in fact, an American tragedy on the scale of what COVID is doing to this country. We're calling it the crisis that hides in plain sight. As with COVID, enormous consequences: poverty, incarceration, homelessness, and of course, violence, often self-directed, but even other-directed. But the difference in the mental health world, the difference from what we're seeing with COVID, is that we don't make the connection. People somehow don't understand that all of those seemingly untractable social problems are manifestations of the same root cause, which is untreated mental illness. The American tragedy of mental health, that crisis, is not due to an epidemic. It's due to a crisis of care, a crisis of neglect. It's a crisis which is actually not so much about a virus or about what's happening to us. It's about us and our failure to provide care for those who most need it when they most need it. And that's why this issue of untreated mental illness really needs to be a focus, that we begin to understand that this is actually what's behind so much of what we're struggling with.